Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Nur Shahrin binti Wan Ahmad Zaharuddin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noliana binti Muhammad.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rozi Aisyah binti Mustafa.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Zuhaili binti Zakaria.
So first, let me tell you about project description. Nawal is a new student at the University Technology Mara, UiTM. She wants to buy a new computer for her studies. She will use the computer for assignment using utility software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Access. She also needs to use programming software such as VB.NET and C++. Authoring software such as ADOBE Dreamweaver, ADOBE Premiere, and ADOBE Director. And the computer should also be able to support large graphics for gaming and a good sound system for watching a movie either in CD or DVDs. She also requires a large storage capacity to store her files. So let's move on to problems. Usually, students will have trouble buying computers. The main problem is the lack of money. Students just have a low budget to buy expensive and high quality computers. So another problem is choosing a good specification computer. The possibility is that you will buy outdated. The possibility is that Nawal will buy outdated computers. So here we recommend a computer that suits Nawal's need.
Hello, my name is Siti Zuhaili and I want to give an explanation about computer specification. The first one is motherboard, second one computer case, and the third one is hardware. The first one is motherboard. Motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer. For motherboard, I choose MPG Z319 Gaming 8AC. This motherboard also supports 9 or 8 gen of Intel, and the chipset is the Intel Z390 chipset. Meanwhile, the memory is DDR4 memory slot, which is support up to 129 GB. For graphic, this motherboard also support maximum resolution HDMI and DisplayPort 1.2. For GPU, this motherboard support 2 ways of NVIDIA SLI technology and support 3-way AMD Crossfire technology. For storage, this MPG motherboard support SATA 6GB port. And for the audio, this motherboard support rated ERC 1220p codec. This motherboard also support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless, and the price is 900. The second one is a computer case. Computer case, the main function is to protect the computer component from harm. For the computer case, I have choose Cooler Master brand Masterboard MB500 RGB ATX. This computer case support motherboard ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. For fan and radiator support, the rear support 120 mm fan or radiator and top up to two 120mm fans with two pre-installed 120mm RGB fan in the front and a single 120mm RGB fan. For main component clearance, this Cooler Master has a CPU cooler, support up to height of 160mm, and the graphic card support up to a length of 400mm. Meanwhile, the power supply support up to length of 180mm. For input and output panel, this computer case support USB 3.0 and audio in-out. It also supports HD audio. Meanwhile, the size is a mid-tower. And the tempered glass side panel is 4mm thick H2 tempered glass side panel. For the color is full black coating and PSU cover. The warranty is 2 years. Meanwhile, the price is RM279. In additional feature, this computer case has a dust filter at front and bottom. The third one is hardware. Computer hardware is the physical component that a computer system requires to function. The first one is a graphic card. Graphic card allows computer to produce graphic and image more quickly. For graphic card, I have choose GTX 1030 Ti, GTX 750 Ti. The graphic card type is GDDR5 with the capacity 2 GB, and the CUDA course is 940. Meanwhile, the chipset for the GPU model is GeForce GTX 1030 Ti. The memory bus is 128-bit. For a display output, it supports HDMI, VGA, and DVI. For the engine clock, it boosts 1150 MHz. For base, 1072 MHz. For a memory clock, it supports 1350 MHz. For the PCI Express, it is 3.0, and for the prices is RM260 Malaysia. The second one is system memory. System memory is the place where the computer holds current program and data that are in use. For the system memory, I have choose GeForce Data RGB. This system memory type is DDR4. The memory capacity is 8 GB and memory format is DIMM. Meanwhile, the frequency is 3200 MHz and the pin of configuration is 288 with a data transfer bandwidth 25 and 900 MB. The voltage is 1.35 voltage, and lastly the price is RM239. The next is DVD. DVD drive is a component of computer or other electronic device designed specifically to utilize digital versatile disc or DVD. For the DVD, I have choose LG DVD writer, which is an internal DVD with interface SATA. The DVD read speed is up to 90, and the CD read speed is up to 48 maximum. For the buffer capacity is 0.5 MB, and the price is RM 52 ringgit. Next is hard disk. Hard disk is a non-volatile memory hardware which store all your computer information and data physically in it and houses the hard disk. For the hard disk, I have choose WD Blue hard disk with a type of hard disk drive, and the capacity is 1 terabyte. Meanwhile, the RPM classes is 7200 RPM, and the form factor is 3.2 with a SATA interface. Meanwhile, the electrical interface is SATA 600, and the price is 269.99 ringgit. The last one is processor. For the processor, I have choose Intel Core i5 processor. The type of processor is DDR4 2 and 666. The bus speed is 8GT DMI3, and the processor base frequency is 2.9 GHz, and the max turbo frequency is 4.10. The memory size is 128 GB, and the PCI Express is 3.0. The socket support is FCL, GA 11 and 51. Meanwhile, the technology is the Intel Optane memory support. It also have Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0, the Intel virtualization technology, Intel virtualization technology for direct, Intel virtualization X with extend page table EPT. It also enhance Intel speed spec technology and Intel identify protection technology. The last one is it also thermal monitoring technology, and the prices is 649 ringgit.
Input device, there's two. The first one is keyboard. We choose Logitech K840. The keyboards can reduce fatigue during typing, and it is created with T-legs. The specification is Switch Logitech Raw Energy. It has full size, there's no backlight and no pass-through. The media control is function key integrated, there is no wrist rest, and the price is 229 ringgit. Second one is a mouse. We chose a design from Microsoft Wireless Mobile Mouse 1850. It is a 3-button wireless mouse with a scroll wheel for easy navigation of documents and web pages. The specification is the sensor is optical, scroll type is scroll wheel, but there's 3 buttons. Hand orientation is ambidextrous, dimension 3.95 x 2.298. Connector USB Type A, wireless range 50.0 or 4.6 meter. Battery requirement is 1 times AA. Wireless connectivity is 24 GHz RF. Maximum battery life is 6 months. It with 3.2 ounces or 90.7 gram. The price is 52 ringgit. For the output device, for the monitor, we choose a design from Dell SE 2417 HG monitor. It is ideal for gamer because of its 2 ms response rate, and it is good for Nawal because she also want to play game. When the monitor is good for games, it's also good for everything. The display is 23.6 inches, which is 1920 x 1080. Ports HDMI, audio out, NVGA. Response time 2 ms. Refresh rate 60 Hz. VESA mount compatibility, there's no. The price is 479 ringgit. For the speaker, we chose Finfire Champ 101 BTRM 2.1 speaker. It offers cutting-edge sound performance and an elegant design with Bluetooth function and can connect to any devices. And the specification is the total power is 58 watt, woofer 34 watt, 5-in, satellite 12 watt, SN ratio 70 dB, distortion got 0.1%, separation 40 dB, power supply 230 volt, 50 Hz, and the price is 199 ringgit. For the software is Windows 10 because it is a Microsoft operating system for personal computer, tablet, embedded devices, and Internet of Things devices. The specification is it contains integrated or pre-installed. There's a lot which is servicing, state update, KB, cumulative update for net framework 3.5 and 485, 4.8, flash player, security update, setup complete post install, net framework 3.5, defender updates, language they use is English US, Windows. The edition included 32-bit and 64-bit, which is 2 options, quite reasonable. Now I can choose either this specific that is suit her PC. It include Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Enterprise. The features is dual boot, 2 detached installation media in one ISO, UEFI, ready. Use attach reverse USB 2 to make UEFI bootable. Diagnostics and recovery toolset 10.0. Install WIM compressed to recovery format. The price is 2 ringgit 87. 2 ringgit 87. Since Nawa also use Adobe, we suggest that Nawa should buy this set. Which Adobe is known as Adobe System. The company is known for its multimedia and creativity software product. The specification is what are included in the package is there's a lot of Adobe products. For example, Adobe Acrobat Pro, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Anime, Adobe Audition, Adobe Bridge, Adobe Creator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, which is all of that is included in the package is good for now. The benefit of the package is lifetime or unlimited installation, no monthly subscription fee, save up more than USD to 200 USD per year, multiple user and virus free installation guide provided, compatible with Windows 10 system 64-bit, safer and no shipping fee. Enjoy the same quality of the box version, which is quite important, and it is also easy to install. And the price is 7 ringgit 70. 7 ringgit and 70. For the Microsoft Office 365, is a web version of Microsoft Office Suite of enterprise grade productivity application. It is good for Nawa to do their assignment, to do her assignment. It contains in the package is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, and Access. With only 8 ringgit, this is
The price of motherboard, which is MPG Z390 Gaming Edge AC, is 900 ringgit. For the computer case, Cooler Master Masterboard MB500 RGB 88 case, the price is 279 ringgit. The price of graphic card, which is GTX 1030 Ti, GTX 750 Ti, is 260 ringgit. For system memory, T-Force Delta RGB, the price is 239 ringgit. The hard disk, WD Blue hard disk drive WD10EZEX, the price is 299.99 cents. LG DVD writer GH24 DVD RW DVD ROM, the price is RM52. Intel Core i5-9400F processor, the price is RM949. The price of Logitech K840 is RM229. For Microsoft Wireless Mobile Mouse 1850, the price is RM52. For output device, which is Dell SE2417HG monitor, the price is 479 ringgit. For Vinifier Champ 101 BTRM, the price is RM199. The Windows 10 price is RM2.87. For Adobe software, the price is RM7 and 76. The price of Microsoft Office 365 is RM8.
So the conclusion is we can see that all the hardware and software and other components that have been suggested are the latest version. So NAWA can use the suggested material as a reference to buy a new computer, and it is great for doing assignments, playing games well, and watching movies clearly. So the price is well worth it and not too expensive and also affordable. So that's all from us. Thank you.